TK with Master Wealth Builders LLC, and today I wanted to do a quick video on what makes me different and why you should do business. Most people ignore videos online and say I'm not doing business with a stranger, but I can tell you that my license can be verified and every company that I'm contracted with can be verified to have the top rating within the industry under multiple rating agencies. Everything can be proven, backed up, and every state in the U.S. has a state insurance bureau, and insurance industry itself is backed by the Assurity Group, which is the same thing as FDIC backing the banking industry. So rest assured that I have your best interests in mind. I do these videos for education and trying to get you past the educational curve that comes with modern insurance. Most people have been taught to look at insurance as a death, but the industry has changed to be more advantageous for the buyer, meaning that if you take nothing away from this video, understand living benefits and a income for life rider. Living benefits means that if something happens to you while you're still alive, you can contact your insurance agency under your policy and activate an accelerated death benefit, meaning it helps you financially in your time of need. That means something because something always happens while you're still alive. It doesn't matter when it happens. If you have this policy, you can tap into it to help you. That's important, and that changes lives. And that's the reason why I do these videos, because people need to know that. The other thing is income for life rider. A lot of companies don't offer it. And this is a rider attached to your life insurance policy that says whatever amount you save to, you get that fixed amount every year for until as long as you're alive. In other words, you will never outlive your pension, your retirement, your funds, whatever amount you save to, that amount pays you every single year because it's a rider attached to your policy. Those are my two biggest takeaways. Now, I want to highlight 3 specific products. Product number 1, which is exclusive to the company that I'm contracted with. No one else offers this. No one else is talking about it. It is a bank loaning you money, $3 to every $1 you put into a program. You only pay into it for 5 years. And at the end of 15 years, the bank takes back the loan and you are fully vested. That allows your money to grow faster, allows compounding, indexing, and leverage to act as a vehicle or a tool to get you to your goals faster. Please respect that, because you can verify the company, you can verify the 20 years that the program's been in existence, and now it's time to tell people about it, to teach people that it's available. The next product I want to highlight is a traditional IUL, Index Universal Life Policy, which means without a bank loan, you can front load a regular IUL and accomplish the same goal, except you won't be able to do it in 5 years. You'll have to do it in about 20. But if you take existing funds and you roll it over into a traditional IUL, you can still get income for life, living benefits, death benefit, and with the front loading strategy, accomplish your goals and allow you to win because of principal protection, which means because this is an off-market investment, you never lose when the market dips. Your principal is guaranteed protected. There's a 0% floor, which means that you will never lose money. That's important because traditional investments always lose money when the market goes down. Insurance gives you a incentivized reason to participate, with the floor being guaranteed principal. Please understand that. Listen to my words. The third product I want to highlight is called a deferred index annuity. Now that allows you to participate with a bonus. You can get anywhere between a 10 and 14% bonus on deposit for the first 7 years. So because it's a deferred, it means that you have continual participation. You can continually add money to it, and you will get a bonus on that money as you deposit into this annuity. That's important, because when you front load and transfer money from another account, sometimes that transfer requires some sort of penalty. So we offset the penalty by giving you a bonus up front on your deposit. That's very important, and that's not what other people are offering or talking about. The annual return that we've been seeing conservatively has been 6 to 8%. So on a point-to-point participation basis, you will do better over here than keeping your money over there because of market risks and because your principal is not protected. Your principal over there is not guaranteed. Please understand, I'm trying to educate the public. If you don't take nothing from this video, understand the points that I'm highlighting as a reason to do business, as the benefits in modern insurance, how it is now beneficial for the public to participate over here versus over there. You know about over there. You don't know about everything I just explained. If any of this makes sense to you and you're willing to freaking look at an illustration, click the link down below in my bio, schedule a Zoom, and I will customize a solution just for you. Suitability is important, and it's a part of the legal fiduciary responsibility that I have as a licensed professional. So the first step is to hop on a Zoom, do a financial needs analysis, look at your debt to income ratio, and then decide what your specific needs are and where you get in, because we will only produce a situation that's beneficial for you and your financial situation. That might equal $20 a month if you're a child. That might equal $500 a month if you're doing very well. If you're well off and you're a high net worth individual, that could equal you participating in the 5-year plan. But everything or every situation is different. So we need to show you an illustration. We need to find out what your debt to income ratio is, and we need to customize something that is only for you. That's the reason why I don't show too many illustrations on these videos, because every illustration is tailored to the person who inquires information. Let's get started. Let's create generational wealth. Let's create the living benefits. Let's create the tax-free advantage, because you can take a loan out against these policies when you need it. You build up cash in your policy. You get to a point where you can take a loan against it. You can even position yourself to be in a 0% loan, depending on how much you're credited versus on how much you're charged on the loan. It could equal out to be a 0% loan. Let's get started. Use the link in my bio, schedule a Zoom meeting. Please feel free to share this information with other people that are willing to learn. I know I'm not talking about trinkets and lotions and potions, but this is important. And I'm very passionate about other veterans, other active duty people, other retirees, and people that just don't know this information.